Welcome to the casual pour. Stop scrolling, loaded taco fries snack. Everybody is looking for a snack that cheats like a meal. These loaded taco fries do exactly that. Ready? Start by baking frozen seasoned fries until crispy. Follow the package. Until crispy. While they bake, brown ground beef in a skillet, drain fat, and toss in taco seasoning with a splash of water. Simmer 2 to 3 minutes. Spread fries on a tray, pile the seasoned beef on top, then blanket with shredded cheese. Every corner. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 10 minutes until melty. Oh yes. Top with diced tomatoes, sliced jalapeños, cilantro, and optional sour cream, or guac. Squeeze lime, serve hot, and watch them disappear. Gone in minutes. Save this for game night. Ingredients. Recap. Fries, beef, taco seasoning, cheese, tomatoes, jalapeños, cilantro. Optional. Sour cream, guac, lime. Try it tonight. Follow for more easy cheats. Sizzle equals flavor. Fries or nachos? Which one wins?